Hello, welcome to this tutorial. I will show you how to design this piece in FreeCAD using these dimensions. So first, create new file, clicking this icon. Here change to part designer bench, create body, create sketch in XY plane, and here use this polyline tool to draw this sketch. Press 7 3 times to get this arc, and now press 7 2 times. Okay. So now select this tool, this arc tool, click here and draw this first arc. Now click at this point and draw this arc, and now select this line tool and connect the points of these arcs. Okay, so now use this vertical constraint and constrain these lines. Select this point and this point, this point and this point. Okay, so now click escape. Select this point in this arc and click in this tangent constraint. Select this point in this arc, make it tangent, and now use this trim command. Click in this icon and trim this line. Okay. So now escape, select this arc and this line. Click in tangent constraint and now go to equal constraint and select this line and this line. Okay, this line and this line, this line and this line. Okay, it's the same thing. So okay, now let's see the dimensions. So top view. Okay, so here we have 150, radius of 10, we have this radius 20 and this dimension. So we come back to the model and here we select this tool, select this line and change length to 15. As you can see here we have 15. Okay, and now select this point and this point, change to D. Okay, select this point and this point, constant constraint, and now use this tool, select this tool, change radius of this arc to 20. Okay, and now select this horizontal distance tool and select this point and this point, and here we change to 150. Okay, and here select this point and this point, here we change to 110. Okay, so what is missing now? Okay, it's to constrain the radius of this arc, so select this tool and click in this arc and change the diameter to the radius to 10, and now click close, press home and go to pad tool, and here we change length to 15 and set submerge to plane and click OK. So now the next step is to draw this part and this part. So we come back to the model, create a sketch in XY plane, double click, we switch to section view, use the cycle tool to draw this cycle, and here we use this tool to extract this line. Okay, so now use this arc tool and draw these two arcs. Okay, and now use this line tool to connect the points of these arcs. Select this vertical constraint and constrain this line. Click clicking this line and this line, and now these lines and this line. So okay, it's constrained. And now you can see that this model, in this model we have a range of, we have this dimension. So we come back and select this tool, clicking this circle, and here we put this dimension. So the diameter is 25. Click close, and now go to pad tool, and here we change to, as we can see, we have a pad of 30. So here we change to this dimension and check these options, symmetric to plane, and click OK. Select this face and go to this whole filter. Okay, resize this window, and here we go. We change dimension to triangle, and here the diameter is 20. Okay, in this model we have a wall with this diameter 20. So okay, now we create another sketch. Clicking this icon, we will create the sketch in XY plane. Switch to section view, and here we select this tool to extract this line and this edge. Okay, and now select this rectangle tool, draw this rectangle. Okay, and now use this equal constraint tool and set this line equal to this line equal to this line. Okay, so in this model you can see that we have this dimension 8.5. okay, and the path is 15. So we return here, and here choose this vertical distance tool, click in this point and this point, and change the dimension to 8.5. okay, and here select this horizontal distance tool, and here we change to 15 and close the sketch. And now go to pad tool. The value of the pad is 15. Check these options, symmetric to plane, click OK. So now select this face and create another sketch, and here we use this tool and extract, for example, this edge, and we use the cycle tool to draw these two cycles. Okay, select this equal constraint tool, clicking this cycle and this cycle. Okay, and here we can see that the diameter of the cycles is 10 and the distance between the cycles is 7. So we select this tool and click in the cycle, and here we change to 10. Okay, and now we constrain these 2 points, vertical constraint. Okay, and we select this horizontal distance and click in the center of this cycle, this point and this point, and here we change to 7. So this sketch is full constrained, so click close, and here we go to pocket tool, change the tab to triangle, and OK. Yes, so now let's do this pocket. Okay, come back to the model and select this face, and now create new sketch from this face. Select this slot tool, click in this line, and now draw this slot, and here we delete this constraint, click in this constraint and delete this. Okay, and now select this point in this line and click here. Okay, In this model, you can see the radius of this arc is 5. We have this dimension 8. But first we select this tool and extract this edge, and here we select this line and this edge and make it parallel. Okay, and now use this tool to modify the radius of this arc to 5. Okay, and now select this horizontal distance tool and change here the distance to 8. Okay, switch to section view, and here the distance between this origin point to the center of this arc we can say is 25. So okay, it's good. Click close, go to FreeCAD tool, and here we say 5 is okay. So click OK, and now go to model, select this pocket, this last operation, and here we go to mirrored feature, and here we change the plane to XY plane. Click OK, press on, and yes, we finished this model. So thank you for watching this video.